It a little bit. So, for those of you that may not know who I am the strong and powerful Corinne. I'm making a mark that cannot be erased. I'm changing the world one face at a time. Everybody know what to do. Get excited, get excited, get excited, get super, 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 super excited. Get excited, get excited, get excited. Always know that when God is getting ready to bless you, everything just start happening. Everything just start happening. So don't be moved by what you see. Go ahead. Don't be moved by what you see. Go ahead and let God bless you. Go and let God bless you. So thanks. It's true. Get excited. That's right. Get super excited. We have to start getting excited about life no matter what obstacles come our way. We have to get excited, especially when we have the opportunity to wake up to see another day. We need to get excited. I'm not only speaking to you, but I'm speaking to myself as well. Get excited. Thanks for the hearts. Thanks for the hearts. I don't care what come your way. Stay excited about life. Trust God for everything, no matter what's going on. Get excited, everybody. Get excited. I'm telling you, because when you go through the storm and you come out, you can rejoice. I'm serious. I'm so serious. I'm so serious. I'm telling you, these past 4 weeks has been trying, but I know God got my back no matter what go down. So I want you guys to get excited. See, I'm getting started on here. I didn't come on here for this. I came over here just to do a simple little makeup look for Mother's Day. But it is well with my soul. So just trust God. Don't be moved by what you see. I don't care what kind of pain hits your body. Continue to trust God. I don't care what happened with your finance. Continue to trust God. I don't care what happened with your children. Continue to trust God. He's your only source. He's your only help. Don't depend on people. I got to move this over. Don't depend on people. Depend on God to do it because he will do it. Get excited, everybody. Get excited. Get excited. Get excited. Get excited. Get excited. I have learned, and I'm going to give my testimony right now. I have learned in the past 3 years since I've been sitting home, was not able to put makeup on women's faces. I have learned how to trust God when no one else was there to help me. So I want you guys to stay encouraged no matter what's going on in your life. No matter what's going on in your life. Trust God. Trust God. Trust him. When people turn they back on you, trust God. Depend on God. He will get you out of any situation. Oh, Jesus. I did not come on here for this. I did not come on here for this. I really didn't. Trust me, guys. I just came on here to just do a simple makeup look. I just came on here to do a simple makeup look. I don't know what got this started. But please, everybody, trust God. I don't care what's going on. When friends walk away, let them walk. Let them walk. When people stop calling you, let them walk. Whenever you're doing the will of God for your life, people are not going to understand it. They're going to think you out of your mind, especially if you're an entrepreneur. You go ahead and do what God told you to do, in spite of what those may say. I'm telling you, they're not going to understand when God called you to do one thing. God probably took you off that job so you can start your business. And when he take you off your job to start your business, he shall provide. That's all I'm going to say. I ain't come on here for this. I don't know what got this started. I didn't come on here for this. I didn't come on here for this. Trust me. I did not. I just came on here to do a makeup look, folks. So let God use me any way he wants. Trust me. Trust God for everything. Trust God for everything, especially if you're an entrepreneur. Your family might think you out your mind. If God tell you to start that business, be obedient and start it. Don't depend on man. Don't depend on man to give you the finance. Depend on God. Don't depend on man to pay your mortgage. Depend on God. Don't depend on man to pay your rent. Depend on God. I don't know why God got me up here speaking tonight, but I am going to be obedient. Depend on God. That's all I got to say. I just came on here, Debbie. Thank you for coming in. I just came on here to do a simple makeup look. But I just want to encourage somebody. Depend on God. I'm telling you, I've been home for 3 years. I've been out of work for 3 years. And God had my back. Everybody ran away. Everybody stopped calling. But I had to trust God. So I want you to do the same thing. Trust God. Don't put your trust in man. Oh my God. I don't know what's going on. But don't put your trust in man. Trust God. That's all I got to say. And I want to say happy Mother's Day to you, and you. Get excited. Get excited, get excited, get excited, get excited. Come on, folks. We got to get excited about life. Sometimes obstacles come and they overwhelm us. And, we don't know how to handle it. We don't know how to handle it. So let's just dry up the tears. Trust God. If somebody want to walk, let them walk. Because if they're supposed to be in your life, they won't leave. Can I... Jesus, get excited. That's all I got to say. Get excited, get excited, get excited. I'm telling you, I have watched how people left. It's okay with me. It's okay with me, because when God called you to do something, those that don't understand the anointing are going to have to walk. And I am going to say, get excited. So, now